Hi everyone, I'm Emily. I'm the director of the SBH Center for Culinary Medicine and Teaching Kitchen, and today I'm bringing the Teaching Kitchen to you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple vinaigrette. I love making my own vinaigrettes. It saves you a lot of money and you can be in control. So we can control how much salt, how much sugar we're adding. We can also be in control of the flavors. So once you know how to make a vinaigrette, you can really make it your own. We are going to start with some oil. So here I have half a cup of oil. It's a mixture of extra virgin olive oil and canola oil. Usually I just use 100% olive oil, but I ran out. I had some canola oil, so that's what I'm using today. You can really use any oils that you have on hand. If you want to get fancy, you can add some sesame oil for a little extra flavor in there as well. Again, we can make this our own. For our vinegar, I'm using a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This is my favorite to use. You can use your favorite vinegar or whatever you have on hand. When we're making vinaigrettes, I like to use a 2-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar. So we're going to have 2 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. I have half a cup of oil, so I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of vinegar in this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and add that vinegar to my oil. And like most of us probably know, oil and vinegar don't like to mix, and so we are going to add a tablespoon of mustard to our dressing as well. This is just Dijon mustard. Any mustard will work. I really like whole grain mustard in my vinaigrettes as well. So we're going to add that in. That mustard acts as an emulsifier that keeps the oil and vinegar together. It makes our salad dressing look creamy. So I'm going to add that in, and then for a touch of sweetness, to balance out the flavors, I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey as well. You can use whatever sweetener you like, whether that be regular sugar, brown sugar, you could use maple syrup or agave nectar, whatever you like to use. But I do like to use just a little bit of sweetener to help those flavors balance out. And so all I have to add after my oil, vinegar, mustard, and honey is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because we want to make sure we season our salads. And then I'm going to add some freshly cracked black pepper. I like a lot of pepper, so I put a lot in there. And then I have this in a mason jar, so I can put a lid on it, and all we have to do is shake this up. You want to make sure you shake it well so that honey dissolves at the bottom. And there we have it. We have a simple vinaigrette. You can see that the oil and the vinegar are not separating, and that's that mustard doing its job. This is going to store in your refrigerator for a month, maybe longer. There's not really anything in here that's going to go bad. And again, once we know how to do this, we can customize. We can use different vinegars, different oils, different seasonings. You can really make it your own. So once again, I'm Emily. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments. I love hearing from you all, and I hope to see you again soon.